Looking for a compact, powerful dishwasher that saves space, time, and water? Meet the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher, your small space kitchen solution. It fits 5 full-place settings and over 30 pieces of kitchenware, including plates up to 10.25 inches. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or tiny homes. With 7 wash programs, standard, quick, eco, strong, fruit, glass, and self-clean, plus delay start, child lock, and drying, it's built for convenience. It uses just 5 liters of water per cycle, saving up to 83% compared to hand washing, and is ETL certified for safety and performance. 14 high-pressure spray jets clean from top and bottom for full 360-degree coverage, while the 18-hour delay start lets you wash whenever it's most convenient. No installation? No problem. Use the built-in water tank or connect it to your faucet. And with 60 minutes of hot air drying plus 72-hour ventilation, your dishes come out clean, dry, and odor-free. Buy now, link in the description.